Good morning, guys. I'm Precious Obruki. I want to talk about politics versus leadership. Politics versus leadership. Politics focus on program, not vision. Politicians focus on program, not vision. They always focus on maybe all those campaign, not vision. They always focus on what they can give people for they endorse some people so that people can be able to vote for them. They focus on program, not vision, not the vision for the people. Politicians focus on program. So you must not focus as a politician. You must not focus. Don't get me wrong. You can be politician and still be a leader. But most of the time, you can be politician and not be. You can just be politician alone for his own sake without being a leader. But leadership is not really about power alone. You can be leader without being on power. Because leadership is all about you serving it's all about service, your vision, your serving your world. Not really about position alone. You can be leading indirectly without regardless of position, but most of the time you can also be in position and be a leader. Number 2, politics priority is securing the next election, not the next generation. Politicians focus on securing the next election, not the next generation. Anytime they are taking is the next election, how they are going to secure. After the won election, they are already thinking ahead in 4 years' time. How am I going to win the next election, to complete 8 years, to complete 12 years? That is how they are always thinking. They are not thinking about the next generation. Don't get me wrong, there are politicians that are really leaders. There are politicians that are leaders, but most of the time, they are politicians for their own sake. They are thinking of the next election, not the next generation. What really happened, what transpired, what our descendants is going to meet, what our youth is going to do. They are not focusing. They are focusing on the next election. Number 3, the politicians are preoccupied by promises, not purpose. They make promises, right? We provide job for you. We provide free education for your children. Promises. We cut taxes. They always focus on promise. Say they will give you education. We provide job for you. They don't even have a business to create job. If you don't have business, or is it private, is it the public service, you don't have a business, you are saying you will create job for people with free education, and yet after you have maybe gained the power. Of course, there are people who are doing well, there are leaders who are doing well, but most of the time, focus on promises. We cut taxes, yet you are increasing taxes. You are increasing taxes when someone is not even working. How can someone who is not working pay tax? Instead of you to educate the people to know to build them for them to build their gift, to sharpen, they acquire skills that can make them to be productive in the society, so that the GDP can grow. You are putting tax when someone is not even working. How will the person pay tax? So you must leave these promises that we are making. We must focus on doing, not promising. Number 4, politics think of the next election all the time. You talk to them, they are thinking how they can secure the seat. They will do anything to secure their seat. They always think about their seat. I think I have discussed it earlier. They always think about how they can retain their seat. They don't want to leave the seat for anybody. They are not even thinking about the people. There are politicians who think about the people. Most of the time, they are thinking about the seat. They are always conscious of the seat. How am I going to win the next election? How am I going to prevail? How am I going to win? So if you are someone in this category, so just please try and change. Try and change. If you are coming to public service, try and focus on the people. Try and focus on building yourself and serving to the people, because you cannot give what you don't have. Try and build yourself. Know why you came to life. Know what you are serving. Know the vision, the purpose, the public sector. Know what you are serving, and build yourself and serve, because you cannot give what you don't have. It's not possible. How will you give? How will you give what you don't have? It's not possible. So you must build yourself. As you go to public service to serve the nation, to serve the state, try your possible best and serve maximally, so that the people can know that yes, you have tried your possible best. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel.